Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with today's Get Famous Friday PR tip. So last week I talked about connecting with journalists on LinkedIn. Not all journalists are on LinkedIn, so you've got to, be strategic in your research. Most journalists are on Twitter. So you can either search for them, Today's Show producer, if that's what you're looking for, or do your homework ahead of time, find the person's name, connect with them. I wouldn't stalk them with personal things, tweeting things about their family, but if you watched a story on the evening news or you read an article that they wrote, I would certainly share that with your audience and make sure you tag them. So on Twitter, you want to start to follow them, you want to like things related to business, comment on things, related to business, and certainly share any of their work, that's applicable to what you do. So I recommend doing your homework, finding those 5 or 10 journalists that are really valuable to you that you can also provide value back to, and build that relationship with them. That's how you get covered repeatedly. And when you build that relationship, journalists move around. So they might cover you here and then they really like that story and then they go to another publication or another television station and they might want to cover your story again, maybe with a little bit of a different angle. So go on Twitter, engage with them on Twitter, build your relationship with them, and let me know how it goes. And I will see you next Friday for another Get Famous Friday PR tip. Have a great weekend.